Good morning, and this is the 4-minute morning for today, Crypto Day, Friday, 27th of April, 2018. Welcome, my name is Derek, and this video will contain Fibonacci analyses, and we're going to look at it within the Bitcoin charts. Within this daily term time frame, the highs near the end of the year near 20,000 and the lows at about 6,000. Represent these four lines and levels: 23.6% of a retracement, 38.2, 61.8, 76.4. When I do this on a exponential level. And to say that they've been key levels, well, they definitely have. So yes, and when you go to a key point and you either have a productive sell-off, or in this case with the 23.6, correct it through time, finding thus even more support, then you're ready to go to the next level. And as we're seeing within this move, you come up to this level of resistance, retrace back down to the 18 highs. This is front-weighted 18 average of high levels, also the lows below it, but it's now lifting off to that stage, and it could be ready to break this point. And if it is, I'd be expecting things like decent sized green candles or consecutive green candles in a row. And then for the 12,627 mark, even though it is well below this previous high, to be a key level. So normally I'd be like, yep, 11,500 is where it could go to find resistance. No, I'm going to say 12,627. When we look at this on a single hour time frame, when I do Fibonacci, this is the correctionary mood from this 18 average of highs on the daily. How is it correcting it? Well, let's put in Fibonacci, but I've already got this number here, so let's put in the coin, or the Coinbase exchange, so that line is gone. We'll probably get back to 95.04 when we're doing this analysis, and when I say that, well, we'll probably see the fiat currency have tremendous hard times over the next several years, so we definitely will. So within this retracement, we got a key high and a key low, a high at about 97.63.5, and this low at about 86.02. So then let's bring up some Fibonacci calculations. And the 23.6 is in at 88.63, the next key number 9,029. Then we're in at 93.03 as a very key number, and the 94.76. And if I can get it above this level, nice or short term up target would be 10,558. So what I like to do is put these numbers in, and the first number is the 88.63 that I want to put in. So I'm going to put a horizontal ray in, and it pretty much is at that point. But here's the deal. I'm going to be putting 4 different lines in, and they'll always be put at this point. So let's choose the next number instead and put this line in at the end. And I want to put this in at 9,029. So I'll just I'll go on here and I'll format it. And then when I put another horizontal ray in, as I stated, it'll always come back. So I'll put the next 3 in right now. And how can we analyze this information? Well, within the first retracement level, which actually started down in here, it managed to find, it found support here, resisted this number, came up, and basically a 50% retracement, came back down. So since the resistance happened several times at 88.63, it was most certainly a big level. And then when you break it with good sized green candle, but it didn't stop at this level. Rather, it continued on to have a fast move to the next one. 2 green candles in a row with, of course, a little bit of a Pierce extra on the original one. And then in this case, on the single hour time frame, coming back to the 18 average of highs, now getting above this 61.8% correctionary level, and coming back to it, finding support there, maybe, and it doesn't have to find, it can go down a bit more and thus find support, but Next level up would be 94.76, which happens to coincide with the other key level of 95.04, which is pretty much right in there. So it looks to me as if on this price actionary move that this market is going to be ready to come up to this point, and I would expect that if it does on this time frame, we most certainly should have a good chance of coming up for good continuation gains. Of course, everything you do is within your own risk, own reward. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. And this wasn't 4 minutes, this was almost 6. Bye-bye.